how to make $1 million with adult marketing industry. Let me take this off, it's burning. All right, so how to make money with the adult marketing industry. So if you want to make millions of dollars with adult marketing, it's either you're making a lot of content and you build that up over time, or you freaking do paid ads and scale to the moon like I've done, okay, multiple times. The biggest campaign I've ever done, like I said in this big video that I'm doing, but I'm gonna cut up all these videos into smaller videos here, but how I did it, I mean, what was I gonna say? I was gonna say how much I made or something. I made over like $2 million with paid ads with a big campaign within a few months, scaling it as fast as possible. So this is how you do it. It's either you do paid ads, you make content. You'll see a lot of people who do OnlyFans or whatever. Why they're making a lot of money is because it's subscription based, so it's recurring revenue, which is very good. Because if you want to make a lot of money online, that's really the best thing to have is a recurring offer. I promote a lot of recurring affiliate offers, and I've done it over the years. And now consistently every month I make like 50 grand, basically like recurring every single month. And then AdSense revenue, it seems like it's recurring too, and that's like almost near like $100,000 a month. I got a lot of different channels, but my main channel that most of the money is the Cash Cow entertainment channel. That's where most of the money is. And yeah, so, you know, if you want to make millions of dollars with adult marketing, that's how you do it. How do you do it though? How do you do it? You have to go viral or acquire a lot of attention at all costs. Okay, so usually it's good because adult traffic's so cheap. Adult traffic's like the cheapest in the world. You can't really get any cheaper traffic than adult traffic. And so it's just so cheap, no competition. You can endlessly scale these campaigns like crazy, and like there's no competitors really. That's why it's so cheap, that's why it's so good. But you have to actually promote good offers. This is how you actually make money with it. But other than that, you have to make viral content if you do the free traffic route. So you have to either make the content yourself or find viral content to re-upload consistently, like a lot per day, and go viral and promote a bunch of different like CPA offers and affiliate offers on Crack Revenue or any CPA affiliate network. And you can crush it. You can make a lot of money doing this. If you're someone who does OnlyFans or whatever, like the thing is, like, make content of yourself on social media sites, primarily on TikTok, YouTube. I think YouTube's one of the best ones for sure for this, because if you can make longer videos, building a relationship with people, just talking about different things, answering questions, do those try-on hauls or whatever, doing vlogs, just lifestyle stuff, just living your life, people will watch that and you can go far. But if you really want to crush it, most people won't tell you this, but this is common sense. Just model after success of other people doing it. So if you want to make content, model after people who've gone viral doing it. Because if you want to make a lot of free money, go viral. I mean, it's free marketing, bro. Like, there's no better money in the world than going viral. Okay? So you can promote anything and make a lot of money doing it just by freaking going viral. So that's one of the biggest secrets. But not really a secret, but it's like, how do you do it? You be consistent, you be creative, think outside the box, and be a purple cow. And a purple cow is basically you're standing out. You're someone that stands out in your whole market or whatever you're doing, okay? You want to be entertaining and as weird as possible. It's not even weird. You don't have to be super weird. You know, it just depends. But what I was saying earlier is, like, if you just want to make a few $100 a day, a few $1,000 a day, literally just make content for YouTube and TikTok. And I'm going to have a whole course about this. If you see it in the link description, it's out now. But it's the Adult Marketing Mastery course. And I'm going to talk about how to crush it with free traffic in depth of how to actually do this for you guys. Because free traffic, if you do it right, that's just free money for you forever. And it's passive income because it'll always get views and promote stuff. So just pick top offers that are good. Use the products. Be entertaining as you use these different products or offers, and just call to action people. Hey, if you want to play this game too, if you want to go to this site too, if you want to sign up, go to my link. It's in the description of my videos or it's in my bio. And that's literally how you do it with free traffic and crush it.